For these super simple mousses, you need to start with some really good chocolate. I'm using this one, which is a Costa Rican chocolate, and I've melted it and left it to cool just a little bit. I'm going to spice it up with some ground cinnamon, a little pinch of salt, and then to really give it a kick, I'm using tequila. So the flavours of the dark chocolate and the tequila are going to work so well together. About 3 tablespoons. And it should blend together really well, but if it starts to seize, you can just add a little bit of hot water and it'll bring it back together. So for the eggs, I've got 4 that I've separated. For a full list of the ingredients, just click on the link. I'm going to whisk the whites now until they form soft peaks. And now I'm going to whisk in some brown sugar. We've got a lovely glossy meringue. I'm going to add the egg yolks into that cooled chocolate mixture. Add a spoon or 2 of the meringue mixture to the chocolate just to loosen it up. And then tip that back in and mix it well together. There's enough here to make 4 pots. And once they're all full, just pop them into the fridge for about 2 hours until they're firm. So when you're ready to serve your chocolate mousses, just finish them off with a little tiny drizzle of tequila and then grate over some orange zest. For more lovely recipes, don't forget to click to subscribe.